નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Today, in Standard 10th, subject Mathematics, we are going to learn Chapter 9, some applications of trigonometry. In exercise 9.1, question number 14, a 1.2 meter tall girl spots a balloon at A moving with the wind in a horizontal line at a height of 82. This height of the balloon from A to from the ground here, this ground surface, and this is the horizontal line for the observer. So here this is height here 88.2 meter from the ground. The angle of elevation of the balloon from the eyes of the girl at an instant is found to be 60 degree. This horizontal ray, and this is the ray of vision. So angle of elevation was found to be 60 degree here. After some time, the angle of elevation reduces. The balloon moves in the horizontal path A to P. Now the angle of elevation reduces to 30 degree. You can see that is 30 degree. So that is PCD, 30 degree. Then find the distance travelled by the balloon, that is equal to AP, and that is equal to BD during this time interval. So let us solve this. Here, let C is the point of observer and EF be the ground. Therefore, CD is horizontal to the ground, and therefore CE is equal to DF is equal to 1.2 meter, and A and P are the positions of the balloon. Where PF is equal to 88.2 meter, and therefore AP is equal to BD and AB is equal to PD, and that is equal to 88.2 minus 1.2, and that is 87 meter. So you can see here C is the position of the point of observer. Here A and P are the positions of the balloon. Now CD is a horizontal line to the ground EF. Therefore CE is equal to DF. Now here A and P are the positions of the observer. Okay, where PF, here PF is height of the balloon 88.2 meter. Now here AP, therefore AP is the distance travelled by the balloon is same as BD. So AB is equal to PD, and that is equal to this. And angle of elevation, angle ACB, in the beginning it was 30 degree, and that reduces to angle PCD is equal to 30 degree. So let us solve. Here now in triangle, here ABC, 10, 60 opposite side. Here we have to take opposite side and base. So AB is opposite side and BC is the base, adjacent side. So here AB upon BC. And therefore tan 60 there is root 3 is equal to AB, that is 87 meter. Here 87 meter, so this is also 87 meter. So 87 divided by BC, and therefore BC is equal to 87 by root 3 meter. So this is BC. Now another triangle, in triangle PDC, 10 30, here 30 degree is the angle of elevation. So PDC 30 degree, opposite side and adjacent side, here that is equal to PD, opposite side and adjacent side is CD, and therefore 10 30, that is 1 by root 3, and that is equal to PD. Here it is given 87 divided by CD is not known, and therefore CD is equal to 87 root 3 meter. So this is CD. Now the question here, DC and CD we got it, but we want to find the distance travelled is AP, and that is equal to BD, and therefore BD is equal to CD minus, therefore we can say AP distance travelled is equal to BD, and that is equal to CD minus here BC. So CD is 87 root 3 minus BC is 87 divided by root 3. Therefore AP is equal to 87 common, root 3 minus 1 by root 3. So taking LCM, we get AP is equal to 87. Here we get 3 minus 1 divided by root 3, and thus we get here, therefore AP is equal to here, what we will get, 87 multiplied by 2 by root 3, 87 multiplied by 2 by root 3. So as denominator is irrational number, we have to rationalize the denominator, so I am writing here only, and that is, we say AP is equal to 87 into 2 into root 3 divided by 3. So 3 cut, here 29 3s are, and therefore AP is equal to 29 2s are 58 root 3. So here it is 58 root 3 meter. Thus the distance travelled, by the balloon is 58 root 3 meter. So here balloon travels from A to P, 58 root 3 meter. In question number 15, the straight highway leads to the foot of the tower. There is a straight highway CA leads to the foot of the tower AB. A man standing at the top of the tower, here man standing at the top of the tower observes a car C at an angle of depression 30 degree, which is approaching towards the foot of the tower with a uniform speed. 6 seconds later, so here the time taken 6 seconds later, that is here the time taken is 6 seconds. Here 6 seconds later it reaches to D position. 6 seconds later the angle of depression of the car, then angle of depression of the car is found to be 60 degree. Find the time taken by the car, then find the time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tower, from this point D. So here it forms a right angle. So let us now let AB be the tower, AB be the tower, and C and D are the positions car, such that angle HBC, angle of depression, is equal to here alternate angle BCA, that is equal to 30 degree, and angle HBD is equal to angle BDA, and that is 60 degree. Here 30 degree and then here it is 60 degree. They are alternate angles. So now in triangle, here we will take in triangle BCA or ABC, in triangle ABC, tan 30 is equal to opposite side. Here we have to go for the relation with this only, that is opposite side and adjacent, and that is opposite side AB upon adjacent side is AC. So therefore tan 30, there is 1 by root 3, that is equal to AB. So AB is height be divided by AC. So here AC as it is, measurement not given, but here we want relation this only, that means AB we have to eliminate. Here it is not required, height is not required, so we have to only eliminate here AB, because here it is not asked to find the height of the tower or no relation. Only the thing is this distance covered in 6 seconds, we want this distance covered in how much time. So for that we have to go for only AB elimination. So AB is equal to, here we will get AC by root 3, AC by root 3. This is result number 1. Now in triangle ABD, again same way, opposite side and adjacent side. So here tan 60 is equal to opposite side AB divided by adjacent side is AD. So here tan 60, that is root 3, is equal to AB upon AD. Here also we have to eliminate AB, that is root 3 times AD. This is result number 2. So from result number 1 and 2, you can see here you will get, therefore AC upon root 3 is equal to root 3 times AD from result number 1 and result number 2, and therefore here we will get AC is equal to root 3 into root 3, that is 3 times AD. So this is the relation we got AC in terms of AD, and here we want to go for distance covered AD only. Now as C dash D dash A, therefore here we will get CD, AC is equal to here AD plus CD, or we can say here AD is equal to AD our requirement, so AD is equal to AC minus CD, AC minus CD. Okay, therefore here you can say now AD is equal to AC. AC we got in terms of 3 times AD, that is 3 times AD. AC is equal to 3 times AD minus CD minus CD, and therefore CD is equal to 3 times AD minus AD, and that is CD is equal to 2 times AD. So distance CD and distance AD relation is given here. CD distance covered here is just this distance is double of this distance. CD is double of AD. As to cover the distance CD, that is here CD is equal to 2 times AD. So to cover the distance CD, it takes 6 seconds. Here CD means 2 times AD, and therefore to cover the distance here AD, it takes how much time? Half of CD. Half of CD. Here you can say here CD by 2, that is equal to AD. So AD is half of CD. This distance AD is half of CD. So here for CD takes 6 seconds. So to cover the distance AD, it takes half of CD. It takes half of 6 seconds, and that is equal to 3 seconds. Thus we can say here car takes 6 seconds, 3 seconds here. Car takes 3 seconds to reach the foot of the tower. So here to reach this tower, it takes here 3 seconds from position D. That is here 3 seconds it takes. In question 16, there is a tower. The angles of elevation of the top of the tower from the 2 points. Here AB is the tower, and angle of elevation of the top of the tower from 2 points C and D is they are complementary, and this distance at 2 points are at a distance of 4 meter and 9 meter. So 2 points are at 4 meter and 9 meter. This D and C are at 4 meter and 9 meter from the base of the tower, and they are in the same straight line and they are complementary. Then we have to prove that the height of the tower, this height of the tower is 6 meter, or find the height of the tower. So here let AB is equal to H, that is 6 meter given, is the height of the tower, and C and D are the points of observation. Such that AD is equal to 4 meter and AC is equal to 9 meter, where angle BCA is equal to theta, then angle BDA is equal to 90 minus theta, as they are complementary angles given condition. So now we can say, here we can proceed with the triangle. Now in triangle ABC, here this is theta, opposite side and adjacent side. So tan theta is equal to here opposite side AB divided by adjacent side is AC, and therefore we keep tan theta, the theta value is not given as it is equal to AB, that is H divided by AC, that is given 9 meter. So this is result number 1. We say let it be in terms of tan theta. Now a triangle, another triangle here ABD, triangle ABD. In this tan 90 minus theta, here angle is complementary to this, so it is 90 minus theta, and that is equal to opposite side again AB divided by adjacent is AD, adjacent side AD. Therefore tan 90 minus theta as their complementary, so complementary of tan is cot theta, 90 minus theta complementary theta, so it is cot theta. AB is h divided by AD is given 4 meter. So this is the result number 2. So now when we multiply tan theta and cot theta is equal to 1 as they are complementary, so multiplying result 1 and multiplying result 1 and 2, here when we multiply this we get tan theta multiplied by cot theta, left hand side into left hand side is equal to right hand side into right hand side, h by 9 multiplied by h by 4, and therefore we get here tan theta into tan into cot is equal to 1. At the same time here h into h square divided by 36, 9 4 36, and therefore height square is equal to 136 ja 36, and that is plus or minus 6 the whole square. And therefore here you can see, therefore h is equal to plus or minus 6, is here it is h is equal to height, as height is always positive, therefore h is equal to 6 meter. Thus it is proved. Here the question was asked to find to prove the height of the tower 6 meter. Also they may ask find the height of the tower.
Thank you for joining us.